Squarespace has so many new features coming out, and amongst those is its new SEO AI. I think on the menu it's called like SEO AIEO or something like that. Makes you sound like you're singing a nursery rhyme, but it is a real step in the right direction. Now, what I will say is it's probably not as good as SEO Space, for instance. If you're really serious about your SEO for Squarespace, go and use SEO Space. But for those of you who don't want to pay, let's say, a monthly fee, this is a really, really good start. And it's also a really quick way to get your SEO to Squarespace, call it 100%. It's not 100%, but it's a really good starting point. So what I'm going to do in this video is take you into the new AI SEO dashboard and just show you around. So on the site here, you'll see SEO AIO, which again, just sounds ridiculous. But if we go in here, you'll see the dashboard for your site. Now, let's just scroll right down to the bottom for the, I say useless stuff. It's not useless, but it's pretty useless. The watch and learn stuff, honestly, I would just go and watch any of Henry Purchase's stuff or SEO Space stuff, which is Henry as well. It's far more comprehensive. So you can pretty much ignore this. You don't really need to go into any of this or this journey. The source lies up here. It's your SEO completion score. This does exactly the same as this. It's the same thing. Maybe read the blog, just to get you sort of acquainted, I guess. But the main stuff is going to be this. So what this does, if we click on Improve with AI, is it's going to basically give all your images tags. It's going to, well, you'll see now, it's going to give SEO titles for your pages and meta descriptions. So I've just clicked one button and it's given me everything in one go. If you want, you can go a little bit deeper. Well, let's click regenerate first. So if I'm not happy for that, I can regenerate one page, one by one. If I'm still not happy, I can click edit. I can actually just change it in here. So even if this wasn't AI, it's actually a really nice centralized place to make changes to all your pages metadata in one place, which is a really nice touch. So once you're happy, hit save. If you're happy with all of this, great, save and continue. Then it's going to review all the images on your site. I don't think we've hit the limit here, but if you've got tons of pages, tons of images, you're going to have to do it in batches. I don't know exactly what the limit is. It could be, I don't know, I'm going to pie in the sky 25, roughly. I can't remember the exact number, but there is a cap to how many you can do at once. So if you take a look at this, it's not really going to be SEO optimized. It's going to be, it's going to just describe what's in the image, which, is great for accessibility. But if you're trying to harvest a little bit more SEO, it's not the best. Again, same as the last one, you can regenerate and you can edit if you're not quite happy. If you are happy, great, you can move on. So you click save and you can see the AI has improved my SEO. Let's click it again, see if it's missed anything, which it looks to have. So we'll click save on that. Now, one sort of word of warning, and it's so much of a warning that I just karate chopped the mic. If you put anything in the metadata, if you put anything in your SEO title, literally anything, Squarespace will say, hey, great job, your SEO is at 100. So for instance, if I have a picture of a microphone and in the metadata, I put balloon, it's going to go, great job, you're going to rank. And it's just not the case. So this is a really, well, it's a good tool. It's a step in the right direction, but I would always say use your human intuition as well. And, maybe just hire an expert. So that's the main part of this dashboard. And I'll be honest, it's good. It's good. I'll say that. And then you can just track your traffic instead of going into your analytics if you wish. And you can see, okay, maybe I implemented SEO practices on the 26th of July, and you can track the trend over time. So you can look daily or you can look weekly. Obviously, this is a trial site, so it's not going to show anything, but you'll be able to track roughly how your SEO efforts are panning out. And then, as I say, this isn't super important, but it's a good, quick way to access a few vital parts on your site. So your social sharing image, your Google Search Console, which you probably should, you definitely should connect. And then let's just head back, and your search appearance. So obviously this has been filled in by AI anyway, but if you want to change that, you can do that with a simple click. So that is pretty much that for the dashboard. As I say, it's a really, really good step in the right direction. Could be better, but beggars can't be choosers. We've been asking for this for God knows how long. So yeah, well done, Squarespace. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.